In this video here, I'm going to talk about the power of having a digital business card. Because here's the thing, you only get one time to make a first impression. And often when you're dealing with the world of quote unquote having your business card, that's usually when you're first meeting people, you're exchanging your contact details. So whether you're networking one-on-one or at a live event or a conference, how do you stand out and separate yourself from everyone else? Because oftentimes we're fumbling for them. Do they make it back to their room? Do they actually make it into the most important thing is their phone, right? Or their address book with their Outlook or email, Google account calendars? Do they get their information from the card in there? A digital business card helps automate that whole entire process, plus allows you to stand out from the crowd and everyone else. So like you can see on my screen here, this is an example of what a digital business card is, but what's really cool is you have it on your phone. So essentially like you can pull out your phone when networking and all they gotta do is scan this solo QR code, and then we can choose a couple of ways through the power of automation to choose what's the path we wanna take them on. Do we want it to just automatically make it download onto their phone, or it can take them to what I would call like a social bio page, where think about it, whether you have a LinkedIn page or Instagram, oftentimes you're allowed one link to link out. You can have what I call a social bio page where you might have a few different buttons available. And again, this is that posturing, that branding. They scan this when you're out networking, takes them to a page where they can do a contact form where it's like, add me as a contact. They fill out the form, automation takes place on the back end where it puts them into your system, texts you their information, but also sends them a clickable link to download your information onto their phone. Completely automated. It delivers that kind of wow factor and polishes you where it's a memorable experience and interaction with you. Then you can also link them to key things about your business, whether it's your business website. If you want to do online booking and call calendars, you can link to that as well, built into the entire system, or other social media platforms that you have available. Because like I was saying, oftentimes on social media, you only have one link. This link clicked could take them to a page such as this, and then your digital business card when scanned can either auto download your information, or they go to a page here, they click a button, send you theirs, they get yours. It's completely seamless and an effortless experience to kind of stand out and network with people. What's also really cool in the back end, we set all this up for you as a beginning base, so you're not having to figure out the techie parts. It's part of the onboarding experience at SoloLink, but it's easy to edit on the back end. I mean, like for example here, are you ready to be awesome, right? You simply click save, it goes live. It's that easy. If you can work a Word app, Microsoft Word, this is very intuitive that where you're just clicking a few things and picking where buttons go. But we set it all up for you in the process. And then you can take them to places where they could quote unquote like book a demo call, book time with you. So it's just a way to stand out and leverage yourself from everyone else, because like I said, you only get one time to make a first impression. Instead of fumbling for business cards, hoping that they make it where we want it to go, stand out and just go, hey, no problem. And when you guys want to exchange contact details, just here, scan my phone. They scan it. You can choose which option you like or have both options available depending on your event type, and either auto add your information to their phone or vice versa. They go to a page, see all the cool ways to get a hold of you, send you their information, and this allows them to continue on the journey of learning more about your business and how you can solve their problems. At SoloLink, that's what we do. We automate and amplify your time to increase your brand experience for you and your customers. And if you'd like to learn more about how SoloLink can help you exclusively, you can book a one-on-one call with me. Just go to sololink.io, fill out the widget. It'll send you a link to book a call, and we can answer any questions that you have to help grow and automate your business.